Hey guys, CHWD97 here. This is my first video on this channel. So I have a Big Wig Chew egg to open. So let's see what's in here. It says there's an original pouch, gumballs, trading cards, and tattoos. So let's see what's inside. Okay, here's the egg. Okay, so we've got for our trading cards, let's see, a Big League Bubblegum Surprise for sports fans of all ages, boys, girls, teenagers, adults, and parents. 12 packs of Big League Chew with the photo of your choice. I don't know what this is. I guess you can personalize your Big League Chew packages. Well, for our trading cards, we have 4. We have from Series 2, the main picture that's on the front of the bags. There's a bag of it in here. And we have another Series 2. So that was of the original gum. Here's one for a Swingin' Sour Apple, and it's a Series 2 card. Here is one that is Series 2 again, Ground Ball Grape. And here is one that is Wild Pitch Watermelon, again Series 2. So I have number 1, number 10, number 8, and number 12. So there are those. And I have 3 Big League Chew gumballs. 2 are, 2 of the packages are translucent, so you can see the gumball, but 1 isn't. So I don't know what's with that. And our 2 tattoos have a B, an L, and a C for Big League Chew. They're backwards, of course, because they're tattoos. Those are cool. Okay, so I am very happy with this egg. I love the trading cards. Those are very cool. I'll give one of the tattoos to my sister, probably. She loves tattoos. And then I got a bag of gum. Nice. And gumballs. Okay, so see you guys for my second video. Bye!